You're watching Chef Club. Follow our account for more ideas.
Over our apple. We're going to put a fork in it so we can move it safely over to our cutting board. I'm going to cut our apple slices, bring them to our plate, and there you have it. Okay, we have our cinnamon roll dough here, and I'm going to whip in some softened butter, and we're just going to spread that slowly over our dough. It's going to help our sugar and our cinnamon stick. Now we're going to take our cinnamon sugar, we're going to pour that all across our dough, and we're going to start on this end. First we're going to place our spoon right here, and you'll see why in just a few minutes. Start here, rolling up our dough like this, and we're going to use the spoon to help us. We're going to use our spoon to help us pick up our dough, place it onto our baking sheet, and then slowly slide out the spoon. And now we're going to start here, and we're going to start cutting 45-degree angles into our dough. You don't want to cut all the way through, you're just cutting into the top part of the dough. And now we're just going to separate these sides and pull them apart like this. And starting here, we're going to pull out the center of our cinnamon roll and just stretch out our dough. And we're going to take the apples that we did earlier, and we're going to start layering them inside. And we're going to slowly roll that back into our cinnamon roll. And we're just going to gently tuck it back in. We have a nice little rose. We're going to continue with another one. Pull that out. And we're going to take our apple slices, place them right here along the edge, and we're going to roll that and back into our cinnamon roll. And our last one. Place our apples. I'm just gonna roll that up and tuck it back in. And now this goes to the oven. We're gonna place this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Our cinnamon roll is out of the oven. It's still warm. So now we're gonna put on our cream cheese glaze. And just start spreading that on there. Just gonna get that really well coated. So good. Oh, it smells amazing. Cinnamon rolls. Make sure there's enough. Now we're gonna add some toasted pecans. And some vanilla ice cream. And for our final touch, caramel sauce. Apples, caramels, pecans, and cinnamon rolls. Can't think of anything better. Now it's time for a taste. You can find all the details for this recipe on chefclub.tv.